former NFL personnel executive, and current NFL Network NFL draft analyst Daniel Jeremiah believes that Giants general manager Dave Gettleman is ready to move on from 38-year-old two-time Super Bowl MVP Eli Manning. In Jeremiah's initial 2019 NFL mock draft, released Friday, the Giants select Ohio State standout Dwayne Haskins with the number 6 overall pick. Haskins lacks the ideal mobility, but he's a pure pocket passer with excellent arm strength and accuracy. It wouldn't be the least bit surprising to see the Giants invest the No. 6 overall pick in Haskins, or any of the top quarterback prospects, after Gettleman refused to commit during his year-end press conference to Manning returning next season. "I'm committed to making the best decision for the New York Football Giants," Gettleman said, when asked pointedly if he is committed to bringing Manning back in 2019. "That's what I'm committed to do. We're in the evaluation process. I know you guys want answers now, but frankly, I didn't come in yesterday. I'm going to do what I do, which is get in my office and watch film. We will meet this week with the coaches, get their evaluations, meet next week with the pro scouting personnel and get their evaluations. That's our schedule. My commitment is to make this team the best team it can be. If that happens to have Eli playing quarterback, it does." Giants 7th-round mock draft, projecting entire 2019 class during his redshirt sophomore season at Ohio State. Haskins completed 70.0% of his passes for 4,831 yards with 50 touchdowns and just 8 interceptions. A sound decision-maker from the pocket, with the arm talent to make every throw on the route tree. Haskins also added 79 rushes for 108 yards and 4 touchdowns last season, underscoring his functional mobility to make plays outside the pocket. If the Giants choose Haskins, it would signal that the organization is in the midst of a complete rebuild, while simultaneously adding the type of passer who can get the most out of a dynamic collection of offensive weapons in Pro Bowl running back Saquon Barkley, wide receiver Odell Beckham Jr., and tight end Evan Engram. Matt Lombardo may be reached at mlombardo@advancemedia.com. Follow him on Twitter at @MattLombardonful.